The large rear-view mirror touchscreen dashcam from Aliexpress is an innovative and multifunctional car recorder designed for maximum coverage and clarity. Featuring four 1080p HD cameras, front, rear, left, and right, this advanced device captures every angle with precision. The left and right lenses can rotate 270 degrees, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed. Whether you need to record license plates, road signs, or surrounding objects, this dash cam provides crystal clear footage to serve as crucial evidence in case of an accident or collision. Equipped with 8 infrared night vision lights, this dash cam delivers exceptional performance even in low-light conditions. Using specialized sensors and image processing algorithms, it enhances visibility at night, making it easy to capture clear photos and videos. The ultra-wide angle further extends the field of view, ensuring comprehensive coverage of the road and surroundings. This dash cam employs TS stream technology to store video data efficiently, reducing the risk of data loss. It supports multiple coding formats and HD video transmission, ensuring high-quality recording and playback. With the ability to store and process a variety of media data, it provides a seamless and reliable recording experience. Upgrade your car's security and enhance your driving confidence with this feature-packed dash cam, a must-have for any driver looking for safety, convenience, and high-quality recording on the road.